It's Grocerywoman back again with some tips for what not to put in an Operation Christmas Child shoebox. I will put a link to Operation Christmas Child's website, so if you forget any of these things, you will know what they are and you can look for them yourselves. But I thought I would just help you a bit with these tips. So first of all, you cannot include food, even if you see some cute snacks you think kids would like. And that includes no candy and also no gum. And we can't include any beverages either. So no bottled water, no juices, no juice boxes, and no liquids at all. So that would mean no lotions. Like sometimes you might want to put something in a teenager's, a girl teenager's box. Lotion, can't do it. Also no nail polish, speaking of girls' boxes, and no liquid lip gloss. And when you're looking at school supplies, you need to get glue sticks, not the liquid glue, because that's not included either. Now the problem with if you forget and put some of these in there, when it goes to the, there's a center for each, I think there's 5 or 6 around the US that have centers, and people will go through the boxes and make sure that there's no contraband in there, and they'll take it out. So don't waste your money on these things because they're going to be taken out anyway. And I don't know all the details on this, but the major thing is this will either slow things up in customs if you put these things in there, or sometimes the boxes just won't even go through. Okay, oh, and you also can't include like craft paint, no liquids at all. Can't include Vaseline. That's a new one. I didn't know that, but I never really would have thought to put Vaseline in a box anyway. And no scary items. This was the scariest item I could find. So nothing that's going to scare little kids or big kids. No war-related items. And you're not going to believe this, but I did buy some, like some army tanks, and it says no military vehicles here. And I cannot find them for the life of me. So I'm sorry about that. Okay, no rubber balls with liquid inside. This is the thing that's new for this year. You can't include soap, which is disappointing. Now, I used to do a face cloth and a bar of soap in each bag, so you could still include the face cloths, but no soap this year. Again, that has to do with customs. Okay, no matches or fire starters, and no seeds. Now, I happen to find some flower seeds, but you can't do flower seeds, no vegetable seeds, no seeds of any kind, because those definitely won't get through customs. All right, no nature things. So the list says no sand, rocks, shells, or anything related to nature. So I happen to find this rock in my yard just to remind people, no, nothing from nature. All right, no medications. This is Tylenol, can't include that. No vitamins, that's similar to medications, I guess. Now here's another disappointing one, but we haven't been able to do this for years. No toothpaste. So though you can include some type of sanitary or hygiene things like toothbrushes and face cloths, we can't include soap or toothpaste. All right, no money. No money, not dollar bills, not change, not even play money. Like if you think it might be fun to use Monopoly money, you can't even do that. No baby powder. And you might think that's a good thing to put in if it's a hot area that the shoebox might be going to, but you can't include it. No, this is an odd one, no baking soda. Now, I would not think to include baking soda in a child's Christmas box, but you can't do it. No razors. Razors you might think to only put in a teenager's box, but you're not allowed to do that either. No lotions. Again, so we can't have any liquid, but you also can't have any skin lotion. Nothing breakable or glass. So no snow globes, and even if you see like a cute mug, nope, you can't include that either. Oh, and I'm just going to include this again. So it says no soap, but that would mean even no body wash because it's a liquid and it's a soap. So that's out on 2 things. No aerosol cans. I'm sorry, I don't have that anywhere. And no used toys or clothing. So like if you see one of these at a thrift store, you can't get it and give it because it might have germs. And you know, we're supposed to give the first fruits of our labors. That's what God requests of us. So we want to make sure that we give these kids who may have never had a toy before, you want to give them the best of the best. Okay, no alcohol wipes. I wouldn't have thought to give wipes. I think I would rather give a face cloth than wipes because wipes aren't going to last very long. And then the last thing, I don't have it because I didn't want to go out and spend money on this. No magic or anything like no magic cards, no Pokemon, although I didn't think that was magic. You can't do that. And no Harry Potter, no magic cards, nothing like that. So there you go. Those are all the things that you cannot put in an Operation Christmas Child box this year. And like I said, I will put a link below to the Operation Christmas Child list so that you can look it up for yourself, because I'm sure you're not going to remember all these things that I showed you. But okay, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck filling your box. And I've got a few more Operation Christmas Child videos up my sleeve, so please subscribe so you don't miss them. Have a great day. Bye.